The most beautiful areas in nature can also be the most treacherous. Cape Kiwanda State Natural Area is a sandstone formation northwest of Pacific City, Oregon. The Cape juts into the Pacific Ocean and is home to scenic beaches stretching both north and south. Cape Kiwanda is in equal measures stunningly beautiful, easily accessible, and deceptively fragile. The dramatic layered cliffs, rock towers, and sea caves draws tens of thousands of visitors each year. An estimated 18 million years old, the Cape is continually eroding due to constant battering by wind, rain, and ocean waves. The allure of this natural beauty comes with significant loss. The unforgiving sea at the base of Cape Kiwanda has claimed multiple lives. To protect park visitors, Oregon State Parks has positioned fencing in front of high-risk areas such as unstable cliffs and bowl-shaped tidal channels. Our rangers patrol Cape Kiwanda at nearby beaches to talk with visitors about the dynamics of the Cape and ultimately save lives. Everyone from thrill seekers to whale watchers will enjoy Cape Kiwanda. Its public beaches are preserved by the 1967 Oregon Beach Bill and overseen, protected, and managed by Oregon State Parks. Visitors enjoy countless recreational activities here. Known for its sheltered surf, Cape Kiwanda offers some of Oregon's finest swells for water sports. The Cape's nearly 300-foot-high dune has excellent spots for sandboarding and hang gliding. Animal lovers may enjoy an array of marine wildlife, seabirds, and invertebrates. Cape Kiwanda Beach is home to the Pacific City Dory boat fleet, a unique fishing tradition that has supplied the local community with food and livelihood for over 100 years. These flat-bottom vessels land and launch on the beach just south of the Cape. The boats come ashore at high speeds with limited visibility. When you hear the boat captain blast the horn, look up, move higher on the beach, and warn others. Crashing waves, rocky shorelines, and towering cliffs make the Cape a photographer's paradise. However, the dangers of Cape Kiwanda must be taken seriously. Capturing the perfect photo is never worth a risk to life. Oregon State Parks encourages adventurers to experience the wonders and beauty of the Cape while respecting its power. While exploring, always stay a safe distance from the edge and avoid the waterline. Sneaker waves, incoming tides, and big surf are extremely dangerous. Stay on the main trails and off the rocky shoreline. Go to our website at OregonStateParks.org for additional information about Cape Kiwanda State Natural Area and Oregon State Parks. Come, stay, play, and be safe at Cape Kiwanda.